This is my helmet. First I printed it and sanded it a bit down and soldered any cracks that I had to fill it in with putty and sanded over that. After I sanded, I primed it and put putty over the cracks and soldered anything I needed to solder and sanded it down. After that, I then began to wet sand and fill in any other cracks with putty. Then I sanded it even more and sanded a lot. I spray painted it gold, so after I spray painted it gold, that I could spray paint it another color and the gold would make the red pop. And here is a picture of after I spray painted it red. It was very bright and the red was very, very vibrant. And then I began to paint in between the cracks black so that you could see the lines. And I did it with a very small, tiny brush. And here is a picture of my helmet after I painted the cracks black. And after that, here is a picture after I made the eyes black and glued on the inside of the eyes. And here's a picture of me with my mask after I glued the eyes on to my helmet. Then I coated it with a gloss, and here's a picture after I coated it with the gloss. This is my helmet. It's Spiderman. First I sanded it, and then I then I primed it, and then after I primed it, I wet sanded it, and then time went by after wet sanding it multiple days, and then I spray painted it black, and then I spray painted it gold, and then I spray painted it red. And then I did the eyes. First I glued this on. It is see-through. And I glued it onto this frame, and then I glued the frames and it onto the thing, and then I painted in between the line. I painted it black, and the cracks that I had, I soldered them and put putty. I put putty in some of the cracks. I put putty in the cracks, but this one's still there. That's it. Bye.